Choose decking materials that resist termites and rot to minimize maintenance and infestation risk in new home construction. Start by prioritizing composite decking because it combines wood fibers and recycled plastic to create a dense, non-porous board that resists moisture and insect entry. Install with proper ventilation under the deck to prevent trapped moisture that can encourage decay on adjacent structures. Consider polyvinyl chloride decking for full synthetic boards that will not absorb water or provide food for termites, and follow manufacturer instructions for thermal expansion spacing during installation to avoid warping. If you opt for pressure-treated lumber, select wood treated to current preservative standards, and keep all cuts sealed with a compatible end grain preservative, and maintain a clearance of at least 6 inches from the ground to reduce exposure to soil moisture. Choose naturally durable species, such as cedar or redwood, where a natural wood appearance is valued, and apply a penetrating water repellent with ultraviolet protection every 1 to 2 years to extend service life. Always use corrosion-resistant fasteners, such as stainless steel, to prevent staining and preserve the integrity of deck connections. Magnetic or ferrous fasteners corrode, which can open gaps that invite moisture and pests. For areas where risk is unacceptable or maintenance must be minimal, consider concrete or large format tile patios as alternatives that remove wood and therefore remove food sources and hiding places for termites. Common mistakes include installing boards with insufficient airflow underneath, which traps moisture and accelerates rot and attracts termites. So raise the deck and add continuous cross ventilation or gaps at siding interfaces. Another frequent issue is using incompatible fasteners that corrode. Fix this by specifying stainless steel or other non-corroding hardware and inspecting connections annually. Homeowners sometimes skip routine sealing and inspection because it seems minor, but neglect leads to slow degradation. Set a recurring maintenance schedule and document inspections to catch small issues before they require major repairs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who work on decks and outdoor structures, and we host a discussion community where members share real-world experiences and practical tips on materials and installation. We help contractors find project leads and homeowners find contractors while keeping conversations open and practical for decision-making.